Hello and welcome to this Curiko video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to join a already booked one-on-one experience as a host on a computer. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is navigate to the Curiko homepage, that's this one right here, by typing curiko.ca in the address bar of your browser. Once you get to the Curiko homepage, you are going to want to find the login button in the top right there. Click on it to log in. Enter your information if you need to, and then press log in. Once you have done that, you're going to go again to the top right corner to access your profile. Here you'll see my profile picture. If you don't have a profile picture, it also might be your initials. You are going to click on that right there. Then you're going to click on My Experiences. On this page here, you're going to see all the experiences that you currently have booked and upcoming. I've got this one right here that is happening right now. So I'm going to click on that to go in. It says a bit more information about the experience there. It says it's confirmed right here, and that is happening currently. So to enter the experience, I'm going to click Join the Experience, and it is going to open up Zoom. One cool thing about the Curiko platform as opposed to the Kudos platform is that it is going to create a Zoom room for you. All right, so you don't have to worry about that anymore. If it prompts you to log in, all you need to do is type in your Curiko, the login information that you used to sign up for Curiko, and the password that you used to sign up for Curiko. So in this case, I use the email and the password that I've done that, and it's going to open up a Zoom window right here for you. So at this point, if you're the host, all you got to do is wait for the other person to join you. I'm waiting here on my phone, and I'm going to join on my phone here. And there is a waiting room enabled, so you might have to click Admit. So I've got that right over here. So I'm going to admit myself here because I'm going on my own experience. And voila, you have your experience started. So I hope that helps you understand how to join an experience as a host. And I look forward to seeing you more on the platform.